I'm begging you to stay. Through the radio, I'll buy you a thick steak. From the corner store, regular Tuesday. But I'm the idiot expecting you to stay home. When you're landed up, the lions and the tigers bow to you. Your grin is wide sharp as it is shark, a prowler in the dark with eyes of burning fire when the lightning strikes. Brown on the ManEater, faces lit the soul seeker. Your eyes are inspired, the shooting stars streaking through the dark, collecting people's wishes that you rip apart. That's why I'm begging you to stay. I already know you'll find you a good lad, and you cut him slow, ripping him limb from lips, from bone, from soul. Till you ain't got no more. 'Cause you're a ManEater. The lions and the tigers bow to ya. Your grin is wide sharp, the sin is sharp, a prowler in the dark with eyes of burning fire when the lightning strikes. Brown on the ManEater, a vicious little soul seeker. Your eyes are inspired, the shooting stars streaking through the dark, collecting people's wishes that you rip apart. Begging you, begging you to stay.